Welcome to Cloudality's RCA educational series. We will be taking you along with our customer MedaForge on their RCA transformative journey. In this series of videos, we will demonstrate how MedaForge traveled from lead to cash, enabling their sales team to automate more and sell more. In this first video in the series, we'll talk about product catalog management. Let's begin our walkthrough. This is the MedaForge homepage, the entry point for managing all product data within the system. From here, users can easily access different modules like product catalog management, pricing, configuration rules, and more, all tailored to streamline MedaForge sales workflows. Now, let's navigate to Product Catalog Management, your central hub for managing products, catalogs, and configurations. This is the PCM homepage. From here, you can access and manage all catalogs, products, attributes, and rules. Let's move to the Products tab. This section displays all available MedaForge products. Broadly, we categorize products into two types: simple products and bundle products. Let's start by looking at a simple product, a high-quality LED surgical light designed to provide clear, shadow-free illumination during operating procedures. This is the Product Details section. Here, you can view important information such as the product name, product code, description, and other key information. Let's go to the Related section. This is where you'll find the product's price and selling model. In this case, the selling model is one-time, indicating a single purchase product. Now, let's return to the Products tab and take a look at a bundle product. Biochemistry Test Kit. Bundle products are combinations of multiple items packaged and sold together. As you can see, the product type is marked as bundle, confirming it's a bundled offering. In the Related section, we can see all the child products included in the bundle, along with their respective prices and selling models. Next, let's go back to the home page and navigate to Catalogs. As mentioned earlier, a catalog is a logical grouping of products organized by categories and subcategories to streamline sales and product navigation. These are the catalogs configured for the MedaForge. Let's open the OT Equipment catalog. Here, we can view its categories and associated subcategories. Let's dive into one subcategory, OT Lights. Within the Related section, we can see a list of all products assigned to this subcategory. With intuitive navigation and well-organized product data, the PCM system empowers sales teams to efficiently visualize the right products, ensuring a faster and accurate sales cycle. Thank you for watching Cloudality's RCA educational series. In our next video, we'll explore Quotation Management, how MedaForge optimized quoting for speed and accuracy. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to us at team@cloudality.com. Stay tuned.